Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs for Running 2. And this box is kind of big to put in camera. This is from Miss Candi Feinberg. And I will see where I can put it so I can show y'all the contents of the box. Okay? Let's see if it'll hold up here. So, we have some of this yarn here. It's from Lee Halo. I don't know how to pronounce it, so if Miss Candy's watching, she can tell me how to pronounce this. Then we have some Llama Need No Drama stamps. We have this cute little angel here. We have, I think this is index cards or some cardstock. We have this beautiful paper. Ooh. Broom, it says. We have this one. This is some cute paper. Look at this. Park Road. Just two of that one. We have stuff coming up that can be used for. And then we have some watercolor pencils here. Let's open up the package and see. Now, I'm going to do a test on these because I want to see how they're going to work with my hands. There it is. And this color, oh, it's a dark navy color, but I would like it if they had the colors written on them. It says Delhi over here, so, and then it's written in Chinese. So I will test these and do a review on them. And it's hard to put, see, I'm having issues putting the pencil back in the package, so I may have to put this in a different container and label the container. So here's all the color. This is the color swatch. So I will keep that. But you see, there's no names of colors written on here. So we will see once I test them out and see what happens. Oh my God. And here we have 2 of the 365 books. This one's the Day of Drawing. And this one's Days of Art and Nature. And I have the one for creativity. So this is going to be a series that I'm going to do once a week on my channel. Okay. And we also have some of this for some great texture. Ooh, this is going to be fun to use. Fun, fun, fun in the sun. And we have some packing paper, which I'm not going to show y'all that. Let me move this out of, whoops, without discombobulating everything on my desk. Then we have piano paper with no music on it. We have some scrapbook paper. This is, I think, scraps, which will work fine for me. So it's some pretty good scraps here. This one's pretty. I like that. This is almost like this is a paisley. Then we have this one that has glitter. And then all the pinks. And then you got like a beige. This one is like a peach. And this one's maroon. I'm going to put that to the side here. We got tons more in here, guys. We got this one. That color. Here's another pink. And some of them have a texture to it. If you can see it here, there's a texture to it. And then, ooh, you got tons and tons of glitter. Look at that. Gold and teal. And then in here we got three different tones of gold. This one's more of a rose gold type. And here's some scrapbook paper. Here's more scraps. Here's another silver. Here's some more scrapbook paper. Oh, I'm gonna have me some fun in the sun with this. Oh, sorry about that. That's my alarm. My alarm, not alarm, alarm. Here's some black paper, black glitter. And here we have some painted paper. Ooh, and some vintage paper. More painted paper. Scrapbook paper. We have some light blue scrapbook paper with, I don't know what color this is. And then we have some pink glitter paper. Here's some purple. These will go good for belly bands. Here's some green. I think I can go for belly bands. Here is, oh, I like that. Then we got purple here. And pink scrapbook paper. Painty paper. And more scrapbook paper. Some chipboard. Tissue paper. More tissue paper coming up. I'm loaded now, guys. It's just to get this all in this spot. And I'm still working on my room. Yes, it's going to take me a bit. But don't forget, I have more surgeries on my hands, so I got to take it easy. Oh, here's some die cuts. Cool. Now that's going to be used. For sure. Look at that. We have some whole leaves. Then we have all of these beauties. We can use them for page borders. Oh, just got an idea. Look at that, how pretty. Eggs, butterflies, flowers, more flowers, birds and flowers. And this one, I don't know. Here we go with scrapbook paper, deep purple, music paper, vintage music paper. Okay, and then we have some foam leaves, vintage book paper. I just seen a picture. Look at that. So look at that. We have some map paper. Well, here's one sheet of map. And now we get into, let's see, Dynaflow, that one. We have white, and this one is sun yellow. And we have brilliant red. Black. Emerald green. Violet. Forest green. We have bright orange. Then we have azure blue. Magenta. Brow drama. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. And then we have, oh, what is this? Let's see what this is. Oh, vintage labels. They're traveling in the old days labels. I'll show you the back of the box. Here's the back of the box. Now, we come into, oh, here's some nail art. Some little tiles. Oh, we got another one of these. Antique gold. Now we come into the inks here. We have violet. We have emerald green. I think they're all the same as the inks here. We got black, white, azure blue here. We have brilliant red. And this one's a different name. But this one is metallic olive. And we have a loose vellum butterfly there. Let me see. What else we have in here? Okay, we have some wood shavings, but we can use that for texture. It's not like, I don't know if it's wood or not. I'll have to ask her. But that's in here. So, that is all for this box. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Remember, you are always where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be happy, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now. Oh, guys, in Miss Candy's box, I forgot to show y'all this cordless speed heating glue gun. So I'm going to charge this, and we're going to give this a whirl to see how it works. So we're going to charge this puppy up and see how it works. Oh, and she sent me 3 glue sticks with it. And the instructions. So we're going to see how it works. I'm going to leave this out. So, see y'all next time.